go.
Okay. You pull that up. Pull this one up. Pull it. Right. Thank you.
It's light, right?
Here we go. Oh.
Ooh.
Right. There's the. Hold on, my love. Not too quick.
Not so quick, Dad.
Oh, what's that one?
It's actually smaller than the one we got.
Yes, it is small. Oh, nice one.
It's extra stick.
Oh,
So another
there you go.
one.
Oh,
That's the
eggs.
paper bag that we use.
Eggs. That's bakes.
That's bag.
Oh,
Oh, it is smaller, Dad. I like. Oh, look at how long the cord.
very heavy cord.
It's heavier than the vacuum itself.
What else we got?
Wow!
Oh. Tiny. Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
lots of attachment.
Lots of extras. Careful, Dad. What's that for? Give it to Dad.
This is for your
Oh, that's it. Lots of packaging.
to use this.
Lots of packaging, alright.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Let's check what the vacuum look like.
Okay.
Is it right?
This is soft.
Oh, okay, come on. Oh, nice. That's for the couch.
Whoa!
What's
Wow.
this one, William? So carry bag. That's a strap.
Strap you around your waist. We look and vacuum it and Aiden.
Okay.
You can?
Okay. Pick her up. Yeah.
Wow, cute. I like
There it
it. Yay. And the filter is in front, sweetheart. Very pretty.
Here we go.
The filter is inside.
Where
I mean
do
the
we
front.
put